I'm sure you've heard the news. Computers are like super fast librarians. Let's find out how they read code. So picture this. Writing code is like writing a recipe. Your computer is the chef, ready to follow your instructions to the letter. When you hit run, your code gets translated into machine language, which is like a special cookbook only your computer understands. First, the compiler or interpreter steps in, acting like a translator at the UN conference. It converts your high-level code, like Python or Java, into low-level machine code, full of ones and zeros. This machine code is the native tongue of your computer's processor. Next, the CPU or central processing unit takes center stage. Think of it as the brain of your computer, executing each instruction like a musician following sheet music. This happens super fast, like billions of instructions per second fast. And voila! Your program runs, turning your ideas into reality. So next time you hit run, you'll know you've just sent your computer on a culinary adventure. Let's dive into how the process works. Imagine you wrote a program to add two numbers. When you hit run, the compiler or interpreter steps in. It translates your code into machine code. The compiler checks for errors and optimizes the code. An interpreter translates and executes code line by line, handy for quick testing and debugging. The CPU reads the binary instructions. It processes each instruction at lightning speed. RAM stores data for quick CPU access. Finally, the results are displayed on the screen. This entire process happens in the blink of an eye. Remember the journey your code takes from mind to screen. Now that we've seen how your code goes from idea to execution, let's talk about an essential part of the process that often goes unnoticed: debugging. Debugging is the practice of identifying and fixing errors or bugs in your code. It's like detective work, where you sift through lines of code to find the culprit causing issues. This is where debugging tools come in handy. IDEs offer built-in debuggers that help you step through your code line by line. They highlight errors, show variable values, and allow you to set breakpoints. You methodically check each part of your code to find and fix issues. Finding and fixing that bug is incredibly satisfying. Debugging ensures everything works perfectly. Happy coding! As we've journeyed through the basics of coding and debugging, it's time to look ahead. AI is transforming coding, helping write, test, and debug code. Imagine a smart assistant predicting bugs and offering solutions in real time. AI enhances our capabilities, allowing us to focus on creative problems. The future of coding is bright. Happy coding! As we marvel at AI and quantum computing, let's appreciate the irreplaceable human touch in coding. Machines offer efficiency, but human creativity, intuition, and empathy are unmatched. Humans think outside the box and find innovative solutions. Coding is about creating user experiences that resonate with people. The collaborative spirit in coding drives the community forward. Let's not forget the human element that makes technology possible. The digital world is vast, but the human touch makes it come alive. Thank you for joining us. Happy coding!